Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live classes. Today for class 9 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 61 on trigonometry. Let us say the first question. The value of cos 20 degrees plus cos 100 degrees plus cos 140 degrees is equal to. Let us say the solution. Before going to that, we have a property. What is that? Cos A plus cos 120 degrees minus A plus cos 120 degrees plus A. What is the value of it? That is of course 0. We will prove it. That is otherwise cos A plus. It is in the form of cos A minus B. What is cos A minus B? Cos 120 degrees cos A minus sin 120 degrees sin A. Next plus cos of A plus B. Cos 120 degrees. It is plus of course. Cos A minus sin 120 degrees sin A. Okay, now here plus minus cancels. Now here result. Now we have cos A plus it is 2 times of cos 120. Cos 120 is nothing but minus 1 by 2 times of cos A, because cos 120 means cos 120 degrees is cos 90 degrees plus 30. That is nothing but minus sin 30 degrees, because 90 degrees plus 30 degrees is in second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is negative. So minus 90 cos of 90, 1 into 90 becomes sin of 30. Sin of 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. So the result is minus 1 by 2. Okay, here 2 cancels. Cos A minus cos A becomes 0. So cos A plus cos 120 degrees minus A plus cos 120 degrees plus A is always equal to 0. If it is 0, what is the answer? As it is 0, if okay, what will have? Cos A plus cos 120 degrees minus A plus cos 120 degrees plus A. We have proved that it is equal to 0. If A is equal to 20 degrees, what do you get? Cos 20 degrees plus cos 120 minus A, that is 100 degrees, plus cos 120 plus 20, that is 140 degrees. That is again equal to 0. 0 is nothing but first option for us. So that is the right answer. Let us see the next question. The value of sin 10 degrees, okay, plus 130 degrees minus sin 110 degrees is. Here also we have one identity, sin A plus sin 120 degrees plus A minus sin 120 degrees minus A. That is also equal to 0. Let us prove this even. That is sin A plus, it is in the form of sin A plus B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B minus of sin A cos B minus of minus, it becomes plus cos A sin B. That is sin A. Here this is minus and this is plus, cancels. Plus 2 times of cos 120, that is again minus 1 by 2 times of sin A, that is of course 0 plus. If at all you take A is equal to 10 degrees, we are going to have sin 10 degrees plus sin 130 degrees minus sin 110 degrees, that is equal to 0 for us. Using this identity, even this we are proving. So 0 is nothing but first option for us. Okay, let us see the next question. Sin alpha plus beta by sin alpha minus beta is A plus B by A minus B. Then the value of tan alpha by tan beta. Sin of alpha plus beta by sin of alpha minus beta, that is A plus B by A minus B. We can use component of dividend property here. What is component of dividend? If A by B is equal to C by D, then A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. This particular property we can use, that is what we call as component of dividend in this case. So we can write as sin of alpha plus beta plus sin alpha minus beta by sin alpha plus beta minus sin alpha minus beta, that is A plus B plus A minus B by A plus B minus of A minus B, that is minus A plus B, of course. Component of dividend. That implies it is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. You can write it as 2 sin A cos B. If you expand and add up, this is what we have. Here also we have 2 cos A sin B. That is going to be here B cancels, here A cancels. That is 2 times of A by 2 times of B. 2 to here and 2 to here cancels. So finally what you have? Tan alpha into cot beta. Tan alpha into cot beta. That is A by B. Or else tan alpha by tan beta we can write as A by B. Tan alpha by tan beta is A by B. A by B is nothing but first option for us. Let us see the next question. If x cos theta is y cos theta plus 2 pi by 3, that is z cos theta plus pi by 3, then the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Let us take x cos theta is equal to y cos of theta plus 2 pi by 3, that is equal to z cos of theta plus 4 pi by 3. Let us take all the equal to some k constant. Therefore, we can say k by x is equal to cos theta, k by y is equal to cos of theta plus 2 pi by 3. Similarly, k by z is going to be cos of theta plus 4 pi by 3. Okay? Now, what do you need? 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Let us add up this part and this part. So, we have k times of 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. That is going to be cos theta plus 2 pi by 3 plus cos theta plus 4 pi by 3. Okay? That is otherwise cos theta plus, I can write it as cos 120 degrees plus theta. If I convert radians into degrees, that is what? Plus here, if you look at that, it is going to be cos 120 degrees minus theta. How can you say that? 4 pi by 3 means 240 degrees. 240 degrees plus theta, I can write as 360 minus of 240 degrees plus theta. Cos theta, cos 360 minus theta, both are same. Using that, I can write it. Why should I do that? Because this result is, which is nothing but 0. Just now we have proved in first question case. Therefore, k times of 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is 0. Therefore, I have 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is 0 by k. That is of course 0. That is nothing but third option for us. Okay? Let us see the last question. If sin x cos y is equal to 1 by 4, next 3 tan x is equal to 4 tan y, then what is sin of x minus y? Let us do this. 3 into here, it is sin x by cos x. That is 4 into sin y by cos y. That implies here we have 3 sin x cos y is going to be 4 cos x sin y. That implies 3 into sin x cos y is 1 by 4 into this 4, let us write 1 by 4 is cos x sin y. Therefore, cos x sin y, what is the resultant value? 3 upon 16. Cos x sin y is 3 upon 16. Now what do you need now? Sin of x minus y. What is the expansion of sin of x minus y? Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. That is sin x cos y. Sin x cos y how much? 1 by 4. Minus cos x sin y. Cos x sin y is 3 by 16. So the LCM is 16 here. 4 4s are 16. So 4 1s are 4 minus 3. That is nothing but 1 upon 16. Okay? So 1 upon 16 is nothing but first option for us. So that is how we have to solve this question. And this is the end of this assignment. Thank you. Have a great day.